Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I get to walk you through today the all-new 2024 Sea Ray SPX 210. The SPX 210 has been totally redone for 2024. Super popular boat up until that point, and they made it even better. So let's take a look and see what we got. This is a nice deep 21-foot boat. It did get colored with the Horizon, one of my favorites. And then we got the nice dark black on the bottom. So really good looking boat with the colors and everything. Swim platform, pretty similar to the previous model. A little bit different on the sea decking, a little bit different design, but still kind of the same deal. The one big change is the walk-through for the 21 is now on the starboard side versus the port side. Got a little bit more space up here on the sun pad, so a little bit more room to sit there. And then they did this a couple years ago, but they're adding on to it where this is the swim platform drop down. Obviously, if the drive is all the way down, this can flip all the way down into the water, just another place to hang out. This does come with the Mercury 250 horsepower. It's a 4.5 liter Merc with the stainless steel prop. So this maybe gives you plenty of power to get up and do tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, whatever it is you want to do on the water. So I'm really excited to see the rest of the interior, so come on aboard. All right, welcome aboard this all new 2024 Sea Ray SPX 210. So want to walk you through it. Like I said before, new walkthrough on the starboard side. You got a little bit of storage in the floor on that side. I got a little bit of storage here. Both have drains in them, so if you ever get water in there, they will drain out. Underneath this seat right here is a cooler, just like in previous models. I've got some storage under there. I've got a place for a carry-on cooler underneath here. Storage underneath the seat. We got the seat that moves backwards and forwards, so right now it's facing aft. I can just pull that in the middle. Now somebody can sit forward, so pretty easy to do there. We've got another seat right over here, and you've got storage underneath there as well. One of my favorite features is all the storage in the 21-foot SPX, so you get it with the new one as well. This particular boat was optioned with the sports tower. So sports tower does have the integrated bimini, and as you can see, it is out. It does collapse, obviously, if you need to tow it, or if it's not very sunny that day, you can collapse it. The tower itself does collapse as well. These just get unscrewed on both sides, and then you can pull the tower down just inside the windshield here to get underneath a bridge or put it in a garage or a lift or anything like that. So if you want to come on board, a few new features. The storage in the floor, so they changed this just a little bit. So it opens up this way. And because of the new hull design, is a very deep storage down into there. So you can actually fit a few more things down in there than the previous model. All right, I want to bring you up to the Helm here a little bit. The Helm chair itself didn't really change for this year, but it is still a very comfortable Helm chair. It does have a nice bolster seat, so you've got room if you want to get up and above the windshield. But up here at the Helm, a few little changes here. We do have a nice place for your phone down in there, and then a couple other charging ports. So you got one up there and one down there. We know you bring a lot of different charging things on the boat, so that's nice to have those. The other thing I'd like to point out is the lighting in this 21. So we do have courtesy lighting, which is the white lights in a couple different spots in the boat. And then we have the LED blue lighting, which is in the cup holder and up underneath all those areas right there. Up here at the Helm, we do have the Simrad system. So the Simrad, you can pull this cover off of here, and it is all digital and touch screen into here. You got GPS. You got a lot of different options with the Simrad in there. The other thing I'd like to point out is the upgraded stereo system in this particular model. So it is Fusion, so Bluetooth, but the speakers themselves have been upgraded, and there's also a subwoofer in this boat. So the sound quality in the upgraded stereo is phenomenal. So if you like music and you like to have it nice, this is the way to go. So that is the Helm. And then as we come up to the front, the bow is nice and deep, just like the previous models. This particular model we did order with the bow filler cushion. So there's a place to put the bow filler so you can have your feet up and have a couple more people up into here. So you got your grab rails up here, you got a couple more speakers up into here, a couple cup holders in here. And then the last thing I'll point out is the place for an anchor. So that just opens up, you can throw your anchor in there, have a nice place to store it. We are super excited about the all new Sea Ray SPX 210. This particular model is here at our Rogers location here in Minnesota. If you'd like to come by and take a look at it, just stop on by. If you have a specific time, give us a call and we'll set up an appointment for you. As always, please click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.